Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. We're at my daughter Dawn's house and my son-in-law Jason. They're hosting today. Maybe later I'll be able to give you a little glimpse of some of the goodies they made. So I want to wish all of you a very happy Thanksgiving. See you in a few. Cheers! Here's Dawn's Christmas tree. She decorated her house very early this year. She is the queen of Christmas decorating. Very pretty. She has her Santa and snowman under it. And here she has a little, what do you call this? A little display of Santas. Let's move around and see what else. Oh, she has lights on the railing, and oh, the stockings hung with care in hope that St. Nicholas soon would be there. And here she has her festive display of animated Santa and Mrs. Santa. I gave those to her. And her gold trees. Well, let's spin over here. We have lights on the railing. Oh, and a snowman here on the floor with a reindeer. Family pictures and a sleigh. Oh, we have there's an elf here. There's an elf. It's Elf Scott. He's admiring the decorations. Oh, and here's a little candle. And over here, she has another Santa on her end table with little ornaments. Very, very festive, yes. And down below is the dining room. So we have the living room is all decorated for Christmas, and the dining room is decorated for Thanksgiving. Here I'm taking a little video of Dawn's dining room table from up on the living room landing. Over here, she has a lot of the pies and cookies wrapped up for later in the wine rack. So I think we're gonna get ready to eat soon. See you in a few. Thanksgiving 2023. And my daughter Dawn and her husband Jason are hosting. And look at this turkey Jason made. He brined it, right, Dawn?
Yes.
Do you know how many pounds this is?
19.
19. Looks good. And he's got his gravy here. And I think they're making mashed potatoes over here. They have stuffing, and look what's in this pan. It's broccoli rabe with sausage. And Jerry, Dawn's father-in-law, knows I love it. And he brought it over. Gonna have it as an appetizer, and he got me one to take home too. Thank you, Jerry. The appetizers are going out. Look at the shrimp cocktail. What's this? Is this calamari?
Calamari. And these are Parmesan chips.
Oh, those are good. I'm not a big calamari fan, but that's okay. And we have chips and dips. Yummy. And there's Pebbles. Hi, Pebbles. Pebbles. She's waiting. She sees her daddy cooking. And she's like, don't forget me down here. Look at this. Steam and all. Oh, I can't wait to dig in. This whole plate is mine. Thank you, Jerry. Broccoli rabe and sausage. Thank you. And there's Scott over there.
Yeah,
he likes
you have some
broccoli
ice
rabe and sausage too. How is it, Scott?
At the liquor store and I saw
Good?
this.
Yeah. Jason over there. Hi, Jason.
Hi, Grandma. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. And there's Dawn. Hi, Dawn. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Here's Jerry peeking in there.
Which one?
Oh no, look. Jerry tripped over the dog bowl with the dog food. Oh, he's picking it all up. Oh my goodness. Scared Pebbles. Pebbles is like, what was that? Okay, looks like we're gonna eat now. Biscuits. Biscuits, turkey, chicken wings, cranberry, stuffing, beans, mashed potatoes, and gravy.
Hey, Dawn, you know his birthday.
There's like a side dish.
You want it?
Everybody's digging in. Everything looks yummy. Kyle. There's Lukey Dukes and Aaron.
Do I get to take the leg end off?
I don't want it. You and Jerry are the only ones.
Everybody's hungry. Everybody's digging in. There's Jay. Mmm.
What?
Salt and pepper shakers?
Well, they're just
Oh, Tim's the first one to get his plate of food. He's got his cranberry sauce, stuffing, a biscuit, turkey, and gravy. Bon appetit.
Thank you.
Okay, here's everybody at the table, chowing down. Scott, Timothy. We have Jason, the chef extraordinaire over there. Phyllis, hi Phyllis. Jerry, hi Jerry. And Dawn is the hostess with the mostest. Okay, everybody keep eating. There's lots of food. Dawn won't have to cook now for a few days, right? Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Woo. All right, everybody is completely stuffed, except for Phyllis. Phyllis is eating over there. But we're going to have dessert, and since Tim's birthday was Sunday, we're going to sing to him. So we have a tiramisu cake. We have a platter of turkey cookies, chocolate chips in black and white, and look at the size of that Big Mama pumpkin pie. And then we have brownies and an apple pie. So we're all going to come in a minute and sing and stuff our faces some more. And look, oh how cute. Look at that, little turkey dishes. Aw.
People get 2 birthdays.
There's Lucas lighting the candles for Gramps. His birthday was Sunday on the 19th, but we're celebrating today with the fam. The fam.
Start the lesson where we
The fam.
These
What a
people-
group. What a group this
Where's
is.
that spider?
These people
What a
at the
group.
videos might
Is that
just
your
get
pet?
off
Is that your
from
pet
all
duck?
of us.
You got a
What?
pet duck up there,
The
Kyle?
people on the
Pet duck to the party?
No, it's a
Just
pebble.
bring them. That's it. Just bring them.
Go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandpa. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Blow out the candles.
Don't spit on.
Fall out.
Whoa.
Yeah. Did you make a wish,
one
Tim?
adult laughing at
That's
you.
not real, right? Guess who it is?
Crazy family here.
Actually, so.
Crazy,
Jay-
crazy
Jay-
family.
We got 3.
Jason's
the guys
zero.
Right.
The guys get it. The woman don't understand.
Tim,
Yes.
take the first piece. There's a knife right
The guys
there.
are laughing. So.
What piece?
Right there.
Oh, I got this.
So do you.
You're supposed to cut the first piece. You're the birthday boy.
Oh, this.
Yes. Oh my goodness.
Like apple pie?
You're okay. You're okay.
Form of pie?
Nice job, Tim. Get it in your dish. Don't destroy the cake.
And I like tiramisu as well.
I think you can take this out.
That's good because
That's
he's
favorite.
he's
It's
a
got the
fancy
fluffy flavor too. I don't like that either.
Good job. All right, everybody dig in. Oh my goodness. Look at that piece of cake. Wait, I'm zooming in on the cake.
Bottom looks great.
Are you going to finish all that?
Not that good.